Yesterday I uploaded my first video. Today I wanted to take you around and show you a little bit more of the car. Earlier this week I did get the car running and I took it to the car wash, and I was able to remove the window chrome around, and I blew all the sections out and got it clean, something a little bit better to work with. It was filthy. Let me take you around and show you this car. I'm going to get started with these trunk pans. As you can tell, we do have some rust here, but it seems to be all contained to this side, which is the left side. It's a shame nobody makes just the left side of the trunk pan. It seems like everybody makes the entire floor, which I'm not going to change all of that. It's just a lot of extra work when it's not necessary. But as you can tell, this is not going to do. I got holes through it and everything else, so we're going to correct that. Now the next part, I did drop the tank, and I was able to look underneath, and it allowed me to see how bad the rust was. That's why I removed the tank. And as you can see, we've got some looks like we got some squatters. Anyway, I'm going to have to throw them out. Dirt daubers have kind of had their way under this car. And the quarter panels, as you can see, are full of Bondo. And I'm going to have to cut those out. I mean, I can't let that go. It'll just rust right back through, start bubbling up. But, it's in pretty rough shape. So at least a quarter patch on this side and on the other side as well. When we tried to get the car, we aired the tires up, and as you can tell, this one kind of separated right in front of me. So I put the spare on it, and I drove it to the local car wash to clean all these channels out, which I got the window chrome off, which he had masking tape on for the past who knows how long. And it's going to be real hard to get that stuff off of the chrome, but that's another day. But to my surprise is how clean all of this is. I was expecting a lot more rust than you see. It's all surface. It's not holes or anything. Now this back seal does leak. I guess it's dried up. So I need to pull this back glass out. And when I originally looked at the car, it looks like it's got a lot of rust, where all this is breaking down and going away. And then I realized it's the sail panel. It's plastic. The metal under it appears to be pretty good. If I pull that sail panel out of there, it all seems to be surface. So this package tray is in a lot better shape than I thought when I first looked at this car. I haven't really addressed the floor pans up front yet. There is some rust, no gaping holes. I'm going to get under it and change the frame bushings. I'm going to be doing that pretty soon. And, that's my next project, is to take care of the subframe bushings and then work on this back section. That's where we're going to go for next. I've got to go up to, I'm going to go pick up floor year one, hopefully tomorrow. If not, it'll be Monday. Whenever they'll let me come pick it up, we'll call, because the freight on that stuff is ridiculous. So it's worth the drive to Cornelia. Anyway, that's all for today, and I'll keep you posted.